This is the final video to fix dynamic lighting not working in Windows 11, and today I will show you a simple way to solve it. Are you having trouble with your lights not changing automatically or looking dull on your screen? This usually happens because Windows 11 sometimes disables dynamic lighting or conflicts with your display settings. Many guides on YouTube or social media make it super confusing, asking you to change dozens of hidden settings or edit files you don't understand. But in this video, I will reveal an easy trick that fixes it in just a few clicks. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend hours searching online. This method works fast and keeps your dynamic lighting smooth again. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click, comment below and let me know. Remember, Rexis always brings you the easiest ways to fix your Windows problems without stress. Try this trick, and your dynamic lighting will start working perfectly again.